Struggling to stay motivated on your fitness journey? Look no further. Here are 7 simple steps to help you stay on track and crush your fitness goals. Number 1. So the first step to stay motivated for regular exercise is to set specific, measurable goals. This is a crucial first step because it provides clarity and direction for your fitness journey. Without clear goals, it can be difficult to stay motivated and track your progress. When setting goals, it's important to make them specific and measurable. For example, instead of setting a goal to get in shape, set a goal to lose 10 pounds by the end of the month. This goal is specific and measurable, which makes it easier to track progress and stay motivated. It's also important to set realistic goals. Setting goals that are too difficult or unrealistic can be discouraging and lead to burnout. Instead, set goals that are challenging but achievable. This will help you stay motivated and build confidence as you achieve your goals. Once you've set your goals, write them down and track your progress. This will help you stay accountable and motivated as you work towards achieving your goals. Remember, setting specific and measurable goals is the first step in staying motivated for regular exercise. Number 2, the second step to staying motivated for regular exercise is to create a routine. A routine helps establish consistency and makes it easier to stick to your fitness goals. When creating a routine, it's important to consider your schedule and lifestyle to ensure that it's realistic and sustainable. Start by choosing a time of day that works best for you to exercise. This could be in the morning before work, during your lunch break, or in the evening after work. Once you've chosen a time, make it a habit to exercise at that time every day. Consistency is key when it comes to building a routine. It's also important to choose a type of exercise that you enjoy. This will make it easier to stick to your routine and stay motivated. If you don't enjoy running, don't force yourself to run every day. Instead, try different types of exercise until you find something that you enjoy. In addition to choosing a time and type of exercise, it's important to create a plan. This could include a workout schedule, specific exercises, and goals for each workout. Having a plan will help you stay focused and motivated during your workouts. Remember, creating a routine is an important step in staying motivated for regular exercise. Choose a time and type of exercise that you enjoy and create a plan to help you stay on track. Number 3, the third step to staying motivated for regular exercise is to find a workout buddy. A workout buddy can provide accountability, motivation, and support as you work towards achieving your fitness goals. When choosing a workout buddy, it's important to find someone who shares similar fitness goals and is committed to exercising regularly. This could be a friend, family member, or coworker. Having a workout buddy can make exercise more enjoyable and help you stay on track. In addition to providing accountability and motivation, a workout buddy can also help you push yourself during workouts. When you're working out alone, it can be easy to fall into a routine and not challenge yourself. A workout buddy can help you try new exercises and push yourself to reach new goals. If you're unable to find a workout buddy, consider joining a fitness class or group. This can provide a similar sense of community and support as a workout buddy. Number 4, the fourth step to staying motivated for regular exercise is to track your progress. Tracking your progress can help you see the results of your hard work and stay motivated as you work towards achieving your fitness goals. There are many ways to track your progress, including tracking your weight, body measurements, and fitness level. You can also track your progress by keeping a workout log or using a fitness app. Keeping a workout log can help you see how far you've come and make adjustments to your routine as needed. A fitness app can help you track your workouts, set goals, and stay motivated. In addition to tracking your progress, it's important to celebrate your successes along the way. This could be as simple as treating yourself to a healthy meal or buying a new workout outfit. Tracking your progress is an important step in staying motivated for regular exercise. It can help you see the results of your hard work and stay motivated as you work towards achieving your fitness goals. Number 5, making exercise fun is another important step in staying motivated for regular exercise. When you enjoy exercise, you're more likely to stick with it and make it a regular part of your routine. There are many ways to make exercise fun. One way is to listen to music while you work out. Music can help you stay motivated and push yourself during workouts. Create Create a workout playlist with your favorite songs and listen to it during your workouts. Another way to make exercise fun is to work out with a friend. A workout buddy can provide accountability, motivation, and support as you work together achieving your fitness goals. You can also try new exercises and challenge each other during workouts. You can also make exercise fun by trying new exercises or activities. This could be trying a new workout class, taking a dance class, or going for a hike. When you try new exercises, you're more likely to find something you enjoy and want to continue doing. Remember, making exercise fun is an important step in staying motivated for regular exercise. Find ways to make exercise enjoyable and something you look forward to. This can help you stick with it and make it a regular part of your routine. Number 6. The sixth step to staying motivated for regular exercise is to eliminate distractions and stay focused. Distractions can make it difficult to stay motivated and focused during workouts. One way to eliminate distractions is to turn off your phone or put it on silent during workouts. This can help you stay focused and avoid interruptions during your workout. Another way to eliminate distractions is to find a quiet and comfortable place to work out. This could be a gym, park, or your own home. When you find a comfortable and quiet place to work out, you're more likely to stay focused and motivated during your workouts. You can also eliminate distractions by setting goals and creating a plan for your workouts. Having a plan can help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards achieving your fitness goals. Eliminating distractions and staying focused is an important step in staying motivated for regular exercise. Find ways to eliminate distractions and stay focused during your workouts. Number 7. The 7th step to staying motivated for regular exercise is to reward yourself. When you achieve your fitness goals or make progress towards them, it's important to reward yourself. Rewards can be anything from a new workout outfit to a night out with friends. When you reward yourself, you're more likely to stay motivated and continue making progress towards your fitness goals. It's important to choose rewards that are meaningful to you and that you'll look forward to. This can help you stay motivated and focused during your workouts. Rewarding yourself is an important step in staying motivated for regular exercise. Choose rewards that are meaningful to you and that you'll look forward to. By following these 7 steps, you can stay motivated and make regular exercise a part of your routine, leading to a healthier and happier lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Stay tuned for more videos like this. See you soon!